Hey guys, welcome to Wind Out with Charnay, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this hairstyle. It is a old frontal wig that I turned into a sew-in and then some stitch braids in the front. So this was my first time doing stitch braids. So you guys let me know how I did in the comments. And if you're interested in seeing how to get this style, stay tuned. Okay y'all, so I'm about to do my hair. I am going to attempt stitch braids in the front and like a sew-in in the back. So we're gonna start off with parting my hair across the middle. I just washed and blow dried it, so I know it's looking crazy. Yeah, it needs some tender love and care, but it's not getting that today. Okay, it's split into two halves. Now I am going to just braid the back. So we're going to take out a leave out strip. Not too much though. Like just a little small roll. And it's gonna be our leave out part. Finished the bag, I braided it up. Now I'm going to cut the strap out of this old wig. It used to be a frontal wig, but I cut out the frontal, so I'm gonna cut it out.
On the AR, how you...
And the back is done. That was so quick. Like, I'll never do a hairstyle quicker than this. Alright, y'all. Now it's on in the back. I gotta comb it and flat iron it and stuff. So it might be looking a little crazy, but I took like 5 minutes to sew. I'm already loving this hairstyle. Okay, I'm gonna do the one where it's like triangle, triangle, triangle. So I'm just pinning my leave out down so it will not get caught in the braids in the front.
It ain't no time but your tango, how you do that shit? Me and girl, I'm fuck the same, how you do that, baby?
Now we have 3 triangles. So 1, 2, 3. Now I'm gonna go in with my 24-hour edge tamer by Evan, whatever you want to call him. And I'm gonna clean up the parts.
How you live with that? She fucked the hood. How you lay and have a kid with that? What your love go to a special who go? Yeah, I need that. Kick more shit than you know. And she like, how you get that shit?
First I put the edge control all over.
My shit like plumber, me and kinda diamond flesh. I'm gon' ball out so much, just hold grinding for a month. Lil' hop out dump, shit, catch up on the AR, how you did that?
Then you take your piece out in the front. So I'm gonna make mine like right here. Maybe a little bit more. Like right here.
You got face on and over the watch, how you did that? You hit some skeletons in your closet, why you did that?
And now I'm gonna take the weave and braid it back.
thing. Don't know if I'ma see you again, but is that a good thing? Cause girl, I can't be your man. No man, I know what's on your brain. You probably hope it never would end. Like, is it the real thing, or is it just a one night stand? Well then, let me see you get girl, won't you drop that thing down to the floor, to the floor, flow 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 to the floor. Don't know if I'ma see you again. But is that a good thing? Cause girl, I can't be your man. Girl, won't you drop that thing down to the floor, to the floor, flow 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 to the floor, flow, 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 flow,
as many songs, got a lady when I have a better, but she only hit it once every better. If I say I love her, am I wrong? Am I crazy? Am I overzealous? But I know the feeling, and I'm never wrong. Swear that I've been gifted in the sun. In a million, it's intoxicating. Get way on your head, like the alcohol. We can do like anything you want. I'm amazing, better to my lady. I just wanna pleasure in my catalog. In this life, I come across fans and hoes. I like to give my fans a rose. Curse of the talented. Everywhere I go, they wanna change clothes and pose. But my wife be in my dreams, bruh. No, I couldn't see you. I saw that silhouette, I know.
I mean, we could just go across the street to the park, right here. Wait, hold up. My cell phone ringing. Hold up. Can you hear me now? Yeah. So what day did you say?
Mama too hot like a, like what? Mama too hot like a furnace. I got 100 G's, I'ma go, y'all. My diamonds gon' shine when the lights dark. You and I take a ride down the boulevard, and your friends really wanna break us apart. Good Lord. Good gracious, staring at my diamond while I'm hopping out of spaceship. Need your information. vacation, take vacation to Malaysia. You my baby, the paparazzi flashing crazy. She swallowed the bottle while I sit back and smoke gelato. Walking my mansion, 20,000 painting Picasso. Be dipping Devin like a nacho. Took up a pen and diamond dancing like Rick Ricardo. She having it when the color working on the bachelor. I know you got a pass, I got a pass, it's in the back of us. Average, I'ma make $1 million on the average. I'm riding with no brain, but I'm out of it.
Do you slide on all your nights like this? Do you try on all your nights like this? Put some spotlight on the slide, oh yeah. Whatever comes too quick.
Corners in the paddock, get my piece. I'm pushing P.
Cop new hammers for my P. We don't want no peace.
Got a spot across the rap. Jumping peas.
Drop the data, now we planning. Inside the peas.
She not a lesbian for peace. She turned lesbian.
Push P.
I'm pushing P. I'm capital P. I write these president, count presidents.
Push P.
40 P's on her knees, mopping down P. She let me squeeze and she leave, cause she keepin' P.
Private suite, privacy. Bitch, I'm pushing P.
Purple paint, pussy pink, bitch, I'm pushing P.
Push P.
I'm pushing P.
Push P.
I'm pushing P.
Yeah. Push P.
I'm pushing P.
Push P.
I'm pushing P.
Yeah.
Pop a P, I'm paranoid. I can't sleep, my pockets deep. Got rest on me, why they watching me? I'm
Push P.
I'm pushing P.
Push P.
I'm pushing P.
Yeah.
Okay, bought a P, not a pill of Porsche.
Push P.
3 P's, popcorn, Porsche.
Push P.
I just want a cup of water. Push a P, red bandana card. I'm a P, you out your whole endorsement. She ain't vanilla for me, she simply Porsche. I never saw ops and we finally touched. She ready to get in the streets with me, no question. To reach the text, I let my.
Okay, y'all get the idea. You just part a small section and then you braid it. So that's what I did. That's what I did here, and then it creates the stitch pattern. Hope you guys can see. Mine is a little crowded, but this is my first time trying it, so if I keep practicing, I'm sure it'll get better. These are the braids.
Push a P, red bandana card.
Now I'm gonna blend the leave out into the
She ain't vanilla for me, she simply Porsche.
I'm gonna blend the leave out and then crimp it. And then put the beads on the end.
The text, I let my shoulder forward. Take the P at the alphabet, make her try to sort it. I'm pushing P.
I'm pushing P.
Pushing P.
Push P.
I'm pushing.
This bitch got me paying a rent, paying for tips, diamonds on her neck, diamonds on her wrist, and here I am all alone, all alone. I'm so cold, you got me out here.
I've been taking on all this baggage, adding on so much weight. Had me thinking that I was average when you really don't play. Hey, how you gonna throw it away? How you gonna sit in that act like it was nothing. Yeah, how you gonna throw it away? How you gonna make it so damn hard to explain? How you gonna throw it all away and say my love that I was not?
Okay, y'all, this is the final look. So I added some beads to the end and I crimped the back. Let me turn around so y'all can see. This is the back. My Levi might not be that blended, but this is the back. Give y'all a close up. I think it came out pretty cute. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also turn those post bell notifications on to be notified every time I post. So turn that bell on.